Next, we'll finish this area of the part using Flow 5-axis with tool axis oriented to a point. Select Toolpaths, and then select Flow. Select Library Tool, click on Filter, make sure Ball End Mill is the tool type, and set the tool diameter to 3/16. Press OK, select the 3/16 inch ball end mill, and press OK. Enter the comment, finish the fillet surfaces using Flow 5-axis with the tool axis control set to point. Select Holder. Click on Open Library. Select the CT40-IN and press Open. Select the C4C3-0025 holder. Select Cut Pattern, and then click on Surfaces. Select this surface, then press End Selection. Use the options so that your arrows are oriented the same as mine. Then press OK. Select Tool Axis Control. Change Tool Axis Control to Point, and then click on Select. Press Alt-S to unshade the geometry, and zoom in on this area of the part. Select this endpoint. Expand Tool Axis Control and select Limits. Enable Z-axis and set the maximum to 55. Limits allows you to establish the axis limits for the multi-axis toolpath. Limits serve to keep the tool axis within specified angles of a selected axis. Minimum and maximum angles represent a cone generated around the selected axis. The axis rotation will be limited between the two cones. Under Limit Actions, select Modify Motion that exceeds limits. This option modifies the tool vectors that fall outside the range of the set axis limits. The tool axis will be set to the maximum when it exceeds the set maximum value, or set to the minimum when it falls below the set minimum value. Select Collision Control. Then click on Select Check Surfaces. Click on Check, Select, zoom out, and reshade the part. Select this surface and this surface. Then press End Selection and press OK. Select Linking Parameters. Change the retract value to 2. Expand linking and select Entry Exit. Change the length to 0.1, the thickness to 0.1, and the height to 0.1. Change pivot angle direction to right. Then copy the values down. Press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Select Machine, and in Machine Simulation, click on Run. Press Run. Close the simulation. Return your view back to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off.